What? Sasa sijui watu wanajua wakijenga nyumba za matope ama what's going to happen. I mean, what's up with technology? I mean, technology is taking each and everyone's job. So where do people go if you guys are going to print machionate bungalows? You just put two people, some materials and concrete. Kukuwe na machine ya kumix concrete, ya kupeleka concrete, ya kuprint nyumba. I mean, wait a minute. Buildings and how they're being built nowadays, you understand? So we are all used to working in building houses, as in ile yenye tunaenda physically kwa nyumba, we go put in all our energies, tunaenda tunaweka watu wa mikono, tunaweka mafundi kaa 50, tunaweka watu wa mikono kaa, so tunaweka so many equipments. Leave alone how our president is promising people ajira ya vijana wetu. That ajira is gonna be taken away by this crazy simple thing, 3D printing. So these people have discovered a way to print houses, 3D printing houses. It's been there for a while, but people are printing houses. And we can say tunaweza kaa hivi mbali tufikirie like 3D printing of houses, as in it take long sana before tufikie. Let me give you a simple example. Quick one, yeah? So kitambo houses used to be built zinawekwa kwa concrete and all, and you know watu wanaenda wanakorogea manyumba, mnashika what do you call it, mnashika concrete, mnaweka na mandoo, mnakoroga na ile machine. Wengine walikuwa na those days wenye kulikuwa wanaoga na vijiko. Bro, houses are now being printed. Look at an example of these houses.
Ever seen a concrete printed house? Let's go for a 60-second tour. Austin, Texas-based Icon printed this house, and this is their proprietary concrete blend, and you can see the printer marks right here, but the entire first floor has been printed, and then there's wood framing on the second floor. Let's go inside and I'll show you.
Wow. You've just seen it first. Look at the beauty. Now to build this house using the 3D printing machine, you only need two people. Two people. Imagine 2 people. And you guys are going to print a whole house. You see all these people when you're wanajenga mashionate and those people who are building nyumba zao za kuishi, you just put in a drawing, put concrete, and your house is printed in days. Days. Unaenda tu printer inatembelea nyumba yako, badala ushinde hapo na wezi mafundi kaa 50, mastress mingi watu hawajisikii. You just have a machine prints out your whole house with rounded corners. Beautiful house at a very cheap and affordable house, and a very cheap and affordable price.
This house was
Let's take a look at another house that is actually 3D printed. You cannot believe that this house is actually printed 3D
printed, and you will never guess how long it took to build. This company called Perry Formwork Systems created a 3D printer capable of printing entire buildings and houses. And if you think this is just a gimmick, you'd be wrong. So keep watching and subscribe. This printer is able to waste and time on sites, while addressing labor shortage. Only took
Wait, so these people invented this thing because of labor shortage problem? As in hakuna watu wa kujenga na mamikono. People don't want those things. They're not ready to use the energy in all those stuff. So these people came with a solution to 3D print houses. Interesting, right?
work to complete the house.
Wow. That's a 3D printed house. Look at the beauty. Una print nyumba, haupati stress mingi. So people in the industry, watch out. Some jobs like yours are going, man. What? Sasa sijui watu wanajua wakijenga nyumba za matope ama what's going to happen. I mean, what's up with technology? I mean, technology is taking each and everyone's job. So Where do people go if you guys are going to print passionate bungalows? You just put 2 people, some materials and concrete. Kukuwe na machine ya kumix concrete, ya kupeleka concrete, ya kuprint nyumba. I mean, wait a minute.